I think it's super sick. I think my 2, 4, and 8-year-old would love this.
Oh my God, I love it.
I've got goosebumps. It's really nice.
I'm floored. Es perfecto para que aprendan.
One of the most impressive items I've seen in my 20 plus years in the industry.
Is like a godsend, a blessing. It is chill worthy.
I think that kids could spend hours and hours and hours looking around in every single piece of it.
I love the fact that it does the sounds. I love the fact that how the way it teaches, it gets them entertained. The height, the finding, all of that. Oh my God, it's so cool. We really need this. We need this in every school, every library. Really.
We need this in every classroom, every ELL classroom, every early learning classroom around the country. Absolutely.
This is amazing. I have never seen anything like this. Me gusta mucho.
I love it. It's honestly this is the coolest thing that I've seen at the show.
I think this is a great resource for EL learners. I think this could really provide the great foundations that they need.
I love these.
I've been walking around the exhibit hall, and this is the first thing that's like really, really excited me.
Amazing movie.
I'm obsessed. And there was just nothing like that. I dropped my jaw.
Such a high quality product.
It was so good.
I mean, like, I'm literally crying because I think that much of it.
Makes me want to cry.
My students love this book. It's very engaging and fun.
I would want each of my students to have one.
I'm super excited to have these books.
This is everything I've ever wanted as a language teacher for early childhood.
This is going to be wonderful for our kids.
Really exciting product.
It is the best talking dictionary in the market. Oh my gosh. This is such a great product.
So much fun. I just want more.